Here goes Broad. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Oh, has he? Yes, into the crowd. That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here. Six more. Just a flick of the wrist. This is in the air again. Clears long off. 3 in a row. Make a difference. It doesn't. It's 4 in a row. Five. Yes.
Now time for some bonus drills. You can practice these drills in order to improve your bat flow. Drill number 1, shadow training. Basically this drill is to improve your flow. Your hands need to be stretched out like this, and basically you are hitting imaginative shots. Once you get in the flow, suppose this is the ball pitching, you stand aside, get your leg to the ball and hit an imaginative shot. Practice it until you are used to this flow. Then you can even do step out motion. After this, you can move on to the next drill. Drill number 2, underarm loft shots. Use a lightweight ball instead of a heavyweight ball. Ask your friend to throw that ball underarm towards you. Focus on the flow. Here is the example.
Here goes Broad. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Oh, has he? Yes, into the crowd.